Hey, what's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here, and I'm about to do Bombas de la Muerte, Calavera, 60 gram canister shells, 5-inch. Shell 1 is going to be sky blue palm with green stars and glimmery gold strobe. 2 is going to be neon multicolored peony, bright white strobe. 3 is going to be king brocade crown with sea blue. 4 is going to be neon red glittering willow and bright white strobe. 5 is going to be brocade crown with orange and sky blue peony, and then 6 is going to be brocade crown with red apple blossom. So it's going to be 1 by itself, 2 and 3 together, 4, 5, and 6 together. So yeah, let's get to it. Shell number 1. Damn, that one went hard. Look at that lace. Shell 2 and 3. Damn. Really nice effects. Nice echo too. Shell 4, 5, and 6. Damn. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.